Saturday, March 13th, heading north on Eiker Road from Dye Road. Say what? On a very rainy day. You can see standing water on the properties on the left. And here we can see standing water in the farm fields to the right. Let's keep going.
The shore, no, it's pretending.
Okay, keep going. More standing water off the side of the road.
House.
Okay, stop. Approaching property site, you can see lots of standing water. Fields are flooded. Coming up to Conover's house. This is the property. Okay. Now we're going to head over the bridge. Head down to the bridge. North of the property, watch the fallen branch. Some properties to the left and the right. You can see all the water. 1/10 of a mile up from the property site. Slow down. Let's go these fallen trees. You can see the Devil's Brook has all this water, extra water, excess water off to the side, everywhere, left and right. Standing water, no place to go. Off the side of the road. Okay?
Yep.
This is the park. Roland Park.